Can I tell you a one-stop solution for your print-on-demand store? Yes, you can create designs, make color variations, convert them into print-ready files, and even generate mockups in just minutes using one powerful tool, Kittl. If you're running a print-on-demand store or creating designs regularly, you already know how much time and money most tools can waste. But with Kittl, you can save hours of work and streamline your entire workflow. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create print-on-demand ready designs using Kittl, convert them into vector files, create multiple color variations, and generate professional mockups that are ready to upload to your e-commerce website or Etsy store. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll also share a special discount that can get you this subscription at a very nominal price. So let's get started. First, open Kittl and create a new project. When you start a new design, always choose a canvas size that works well for print on demand. For example, I'm selecting 4,200 by 4,800 pixels, which is a standard size for t-shirt printing. This ensures your design is high resolution and print ready for most POD platforms. Now we are inside the Kittl editor. Before creating any designs, it's very important to decide on a clear theme. A theme helps your entire collection look consistent and professional. For this collection, I'm choosing a soft coral seasonal theme, which works really well for spring and summer product. Now let's start creating our designs using Kittl AI. At the bottom of the editor, click on Describe what you want to create and then select Generate Image. I've already explained how Kittl AI works in detail in my previous video. You can watch that video by clicking the eye icon at the top. For this design, I'll enter a prompt focused on a soft coral color palette, a clean illustration style, and a design that's suitable for print-on-demand products like t-shirts. I'll share this exact prompt in the description box so you can use it and achieve the same style. As you can see, Kittl has created my first design. The design looks clean, sharp, and perfectly matches my theme. Now, using the same process, I'll create another design. I'll simply change the prompt slightly while keeping the same color palette and illustration style. Again, I'll provide all the prompts in the description so you can easily follow along and maintain a consistent look. My second design is now created, and once again, it fits perfectly with the theme. This is how you build a cohesive collection by keeping colors, style, and layout consistent. Now let me show you one of the best features of Kittl. Kittl allows you to convert your image into a vector without losing its shape or quality, which is something most other tools cannot do. First, I'll remove the background from the image. Then, I'll go to the right side panel and select Vectorize. Next, I'll choose the number of colors I want to convert into vector format. In my case, the design has about 4 to 5 colors, so I'll select 4 colors. Now I'll click on Vectorize. And that's it. Just like that, my design is converted into a vector file. From here, I can quickly change the colors, create multiple design variations, and resize the artwork without any loss of quality. Because this is a vector file and not a raster image, the design remains sharp, clean, and professional, something that's especially important when printing on garments. If you want to use this design for screen printing, simply save it as an SVG file and open it in Adobe Illustrator. You can also send this file directly to a factory for pigment screen printing. This level of flexibility is something that makes Kittl very powerful. I'll now repeat the same steps to create the rest of the designs for my collection. Since the process is the same, I'll skip ahead and show you the next stage. Here is my complete POD design collection. All designs follow the same color palette, similar layouts, and a matching visual style. This is exactly how you build a strong and professional print-on-demand collection. Now let's move on to another powerful feature inside Kittl: mockups. Unlike most tools, I don't need to export my design and upload it into a separate mockup software. I can create professional quality mockups directly inside Kittl. I can instantly preview how my designs look on real products and download them ready for Etsy or my website. This means I don't need to buy or subscribe to a separate mockup tool. Design creation, vector conversion, color variations, and mockups all happen in one place. This saves a lot of time and money, especially when you're working on full collections. To create mockups, simply select your artboard, then go to the right side menu and click on Add Mockups. Kittl will instantly apply your design to a mockup. You can see how it looks, make adjustments if needed, and download it for your store. If you click on the mockup option, you'll see a wide variety of mockup styles. You can choose whichever style fits your brand and use it directly. Now let me show you how my final collection looks. This is my finished print-on-demand capsule collection. It's a small range, but everything is consistent, clean, and ready to sell. This entire process is easy, fast, and a complete one-stop solution. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Here, I share step-by-step tutorials on Kittl, Canva, digital products, and print-on-demand designed to help you create and sell with confidence. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next, whether it's a deep dive into Kittl flows or a complete Etsy-ready POD collection tutorial. And before you go, don't forget to use the coupon code EJYT to get an exclusive 25% discount.